I think I messed up. I waited too long to discover Turkey. Now, I'm here to make sure you don't make the same mistake. From the bustling bazaars of Istanbul to the ancient ruins of Ephesus, Turkey is an enchanting blend of old and new. Stroll through the charming streets of Cappadocia, where fairy tale landscapes and hot air balloons paint the sky. Want to relax? Turkey's pristine beaches like Ölüdeniz and Bodrum offer crystal clear waters and golden sands. Or venture to Pamukkale's surreal terraces and soak in the natural thermal springs. Don't miss the coastal city of Antalya, where history meets the Mediterranean in a stunning embrace. And for a touch of grandeur, the majestic Hagia Sophia is a must-see, blending the opulence of Byzantine and Ottoman empires. Ready to pack your bags? Visit countrydiscover.com for more magical places to explore in Turkey. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share your travel dreams with us. Adventure awaits.